Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I want to do a mail call video and a unboxing video. So Steve from The Hide, another YouTube channel that everybody should check out. Really good guy and he does a lot of good videos. So he asked me the other day what my address was, and so I gave it to him, and I asked what it was and he wouldn't inform me, so we'll unbox this and unbag it. See what Steve sent out. Well, would you look at that? It's a nice little buck knife with a sheath. Sweet! Thanks, Steve. Little package here that says open, so I'll be careful on opening this. Nice. Thanks, Steve. These are the Hide stickers. So I'll find a place on the safe to put one of those on there, and cool. Thanks, Steve. Appreciate it. I'll put this knife to good use, and that's cool. So this next package is a I know what it is. I know what the other two are, but this was something I ordered the other day. Peanuts. I hate peanuts. So this tool here is the Giraud tri-way trimmer. And gives you a case. I'll have to read the directions, but maybe that case is like to use to set it up. I don't honestly know. Right here, tri-way trimmer. So this, I'll be able to put this right in that drill press and trim these cases. That's cool. This is for the 223. This will trim and deburr and chamfer the cases. So that's gonna cut my time down trimming all those cases. Trimming and chamfer deburring. Peanuts. And another sticker. Add to the safe. And the receipt. And directions on how to use it. Please read and follow these directions before attempting to use this device. I'll be sure to do that. Alright. So this other package here, I talked with somebody on Facebook the other day, and they posted a picture of some bullets that they wanted to test out, they were going to test out. And so I commented, of course, because I've been wanting to test these out, but price has been an issue. Now these are the ATIP bullets. These are 135 grain Hornady ATIP bullets. Now the gentleman that I got these from, he lives close to Hornady, and they have seconds of these ATIP bullets. These are I believe probably rejects because of the color. They're not like real shiny and like the boxed ATIP bullets. Now these came in a bag of 100, and when you order them online, you get them in a nice package, and you know they're all in there right nice and neat, so they don't get damaged up. But these are pretty nice. So I'm going to test some of these out in the 6.5 Grendel, and test these out in the 6.5 Creedmoor. So that's pretty sweet. So yeah, he didn't give them to me. I had to pay for them. But for the seconds, they were cheaper than obviously the factory new conditions. So cool. All right, that's that. Thanks again, Steve. I appreciate it. Notice that. So right here on the knife, it's etched the hide. I don't know if I can get that in the camera. Cool beans. There we go. That's so cool. Nice job, Steve. Appreciate it. If you guys haven't checked out the hide, I'll leave a link in the description there for you to check out the his channel. And cool. Thanks. All right, so that's it for today. And I'm gonna get. I was working on the 223 loading up and with the BLC powder and going from there. But that's that. All right, thanks for watching. We'll catch you soon. Bye.